jump in the water.
Jump in the water.
Oh, bad. You jump in the water.
You the one said you put it in that.
So look at how kids would just take you in the water. Oh, this is a record point. Oh yeah, alligator looking at it right now.
If this is alligators, they gonna do, I'm gonna just pass through this. Then I'm gonna stay.
If it is. Well, what do you think you got in there, mate? The water has evaporated over here.
There's no water over here.
Yes, it will. If you look closely, you'll be able to see it. Do you see it?
Oh, he's boring.
Everything out here that live outside is stronger than us. Their muscles made different now.
Look at the fish, Dad. Look at the fish. Holler name. The jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion.
There's a lot of animals when you're walking too fast.
Shh, I heard. I hear it. Can you hear it? Wave at the camera, you guys.
I don't know where them big ones were.
Walk out.
Want to go check out another alligator? Doing the alligator call. What happened? In the jungle. I am leaving the jungle. It was fine.